So कुछ दिनों पहले I was reading an article which says every year 8 lakh people die due to suicide. Can you believe it? Which is one person every 40 seconds. And after reading that article, I googled on my phone the reason behind the suicide. And after googled, the reason behind those suicide was mental illness. And that illness came from lack of happiness, not knowing the purpose of life, and there's no reason left to be being alive. To stop these mental crises and as to break the chain of suicide, I have something for you, which is internationally world recognized Japanese tool, which helps in overcome suicidal thoughts, depression, and the most important aspect of our life, that is the reason of being alive. Yeah, the reason of being alive. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is It's Avi. Hope you all are doing absolutely fantastic.
So now without any further delay, let's just get
Okay, so the Japanese tool which I was talking about is here. Ikigai. Here. Ikigai. A Japanese secret to a long and happy life. This book was published on April 2016 and it was written by one of the famous author Francis Mirals and Hector Garcia. And you know what? The most interesting relation between these two authors was that they had never met each other in their whole life, just had read each other's work before writing this book.
So I just finished reading this self-help book. Most often when this book is talked about, it is marketed as something related to finding your passion or how to live a happy life. But it is more than that. Like the Japanese centenarians who are more than hundreds years old are living happy and healthy because of some purpose in their life. And it also talks about the reason of being alive. Okay, so now let's go to the Japanese concept which talked about the happiness of always being busy is like logotherapy. So now the meaning of logotherapy is it is a primary motivational force of an individual to find meaning in life, but it goes a step beyond. It helps in explaining the extraordinary longevity of Japanese, especially on the island of Okinawa, where 24 to 25% people are over the age of 100 years. Now here the question arises कि ओकिनावा आइलैंड पर इतने लंबे समय तक लोग कैसे जी जाते हैं एज कम्पेयर टू द अदर कंट्रीज ऑफ द वर्ल्ड.
Okinawans believes in one of the keys, and that is a healthful diet, a simple life in outdoor, and a green tea which shapes their life. And Okinawans mostly eat sikuwasa. It is a lime-like fruit that packs an extraordinary antioxidant punch.
And you know, Okinawans live by the principle of Ikariba Code, which means treat everyone like a brother, even if you have never met them before. And in Okinawa's religious practice, women are considered as spiritually superior than men. And you know, to avoid mental aging, Okinawans perform some intellectual activity, curiosity and a desire to learn, dealing new situations, learning and something new every day. एंड गाइस ओकिनावा में हमेशा से लाइफ एक्सपेक्टेंसी इतनी लॉन्ग नहीं थी क्योंकि वर्ल्ड वॉर सेकेंड के टाइम में ओकिनावा वाज वन ऑफ द सिटी ऑफ जापान विच वाज मोस्ट affected during the time of 1940s to 1950s. So this is all about the book. So and you know किसी भी एक पर्सन की कितनी भी इकिगाई हो सकती हैं, उसकी लाइफ की कितनी मीनिंग हो सकते हैं, पर द मेन थीम ऑफ दिस बुक इज़ हर एक इंसान का लाइफ में एक ना एक पर्पस होता ही है. If you want to find your ikigai, at the back of this book there are the four components to find your ikigai. And the first component is your passion. Do what you love. And second one is mission. What the world needs. And the third one is vocation. What you can be paid for. And the fourth one is profession. What you are good at. If you want to read this book, I will put the link of this book in the description box from where you can buy this book. And the one who wants to read this online for free. I will put the link of this book in the description box and you can go and read this book. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like the video please do hit the like button and let me know how was this book review. या बुक रिव्यू नहीं कह सकते, आई नो, थोड़ी बहुत समरी भी बताई थी मैंने बुक की. सो if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe our channel to get new notification as soon as possible. Let's see क्या टाइम हो रहा है.